Hello, I'm Taylor Ingram with CARE. Today we're going to go over what to do when you first receive your new AirSep FreeStyle portable concentrator out of the box. On the table in front of me you see all the components that you'll find inside of the box when you receive your AirSep FreeStyle. Obviously you'll get the unit. The AirSep FreeStyle is an under 5-pound portable oxygen concentrator that does pulse flow up to a setting of 3 and battery life of 3.5 hours. So it's a really robust portable unit that you can wear anywhere you go. Also inside of the bag you'll get your power supplies. The FreeStyle runs on battery power, AC power plugged into a wall, and DC power plugged into an accessory outlet in your car. So obviously you will receive the battery pack. We'll show you how to install that in just a minute. You'll receive your power brick, which works universally for AC or DC power. And then you'll receive an AC and a DC cord. And again, we'll show you how to plug those into the brick to operate on power in just a minute. You'll also get everything packaged in this accessory bag that allows you to carry all your power supplies, accessories, cannulas, or anything else you need to carry all together for travel. And you'll also get a shoulder strap for the bag to make it more wearable. So now let's go over how to connect the battery and the power supplies. Okay, so now we'll go over all of the things you need to do to connect the battery and put the FreeStyle in its bag. So as you notice, when you pull this out of the box, it will be in the bag already. So you have to remove it from the bag to install the battery. The zipper to remove it from the bag is on the bottom. And then you just slide out. Very simple to remove it from the bag. So at this point now you'll want to install the battery to get it charged up and ready for your first use. Note that on the battery there is a test button on the back that allows you to see how charged it is before you install it in the unit. So this is really handy if you have multiple batteries for a trip. So if you press the test button, it'll light up and show you a percentage of how charged it is. In this case it's about 50% charged. So now it's time to install the battery pack inside of your FreeStyle so it's ready to be used. To do that, the battery slides from the side, like so. And you'll hear it kind of snap into place. You'll feel it snap in and then you're ready to go. Very easy to install from the side of the unit, easy access on the front of the unit, so it's really nice. Once you're installed inside of the unit, you can check how charged the battery is again, just like we did with the test button on the back. On top of the screen, there's a button labeled BATT for battery. You push it, and it will also show you the charge in the battery. So at this time now we'll put the unit back in the bag and then we're ready to connect it to the power supply to charge your battery fully up. To put it back in, install from the bottom and zip back up. One other feature about the bag that you want to note here is that it does have a pocket on the side to store extra batteries. It's a magnetic clasp on the side. This will fit extra batteries if you need those. The other thing is you can attach a shoulder strap to the unit if you want more than just this handle or a different option to wear it. If you look at the handle, it snaps out and then you can snap the shoulder strap into place. Connect here and then connect to the other side here. And now your shoulder strap is connected and ready to go as well if you choose that option for wearability. So before you use the unit for the first time, after you've put it in the bag and installed the battery, as you noted, the battery was not fully charged. So before your first use, you will want to charge it up. So let's show you now how to connect to power supplies. As we talked about earlier, the unit will operate on AC power, which is plugged into the wall, or DC power, which is plugged into the accessory outlet of a vehicle, and obviously on battery power. On AC or DC power, the battery will recharge and the unit will run at the same time. So inside of the box, you got your power supply, along with an AC and DC cord. As we talked about earlier, this power supply is universal and runs both AC and DC power. So if you look on it here, this plug here is where you'd install your AC cord, and this one on this side is where you'd install your DC cord. So depending on which one you're using, you'd want to install the proper cord. So let's show you how to do the AC cord first. Plug in there, and now you'll plug it into a wall. Once you plug it into a wall, what you'll notice is the green light on top next to the FreeStyle icon will light up. The green light is a good indicator for you to check to be sure that the unit is receiving power from the wall or the car. So if the green light's lit, you know you have power coming to the unit when you plug it in. So if you wanted to install the DC power cord, it's a simple hookup as well, just a straight connection into the unit. And again, you generally only need one of the two at the same time, but they both plug into the same unit. So you only have one power supply to keep up with and keep track of. So now let's connect it to the side of the FreeStyle so it can begin charging. So the connection for external power to charge the unit or run the unit is on the side of the FreeStyle. It's a straight connector. There's no pins to align or no release button, so it plugs straight into the side. Very easy to do, and you can install the external power supply to charge your unit while it's still inside of the bag. So let's install here. You go on the side of the unit and plug straight in. Once you do that, the lights on top of the unit are going to light up if they're going to indicate a battery charge. So what you'll see here is the battery is charging. So the 50% light is blinking. So what that means is the battery is somewhere between 25 and 50% charged. So that 50% light will continue to blink until it reaches 50%, and then the next light up, which in this case is 75%, will blink. When the battery is fully charged, they stop blinking and show a full charge. So now your AirStep FreeStyle is ready to go. You've taken it out of the box, you've installed the battery, you put it in the bag, and you've charged up the battery so you're ready to go with your maximum battery life. All you have to do now is turn the unit on. To do that, simply push the button on top of your prescribed flow rate. So if you're setting 2, you simply push 2 and the unit turns on and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your AirStep FreeStyle unit. For more information about using the unit, check out our basic operation videos. Thanks again.